Red Bull, Raimundo and Agustin laban sa Barangay Ginebras, Limpot and Meneses. Kinito?
Well, Limpot, Meneses, both of them already in double figures sa larong ito, no? Combined total, Raimundo, Agustin, 8 points. Partner, isa sa statistic na dapat siguro natin bagitin, pahabol natin sa ating analysis, is in the free throw department. Kasi nakita natin, patay sila in terms of field goal conversions.
Yes.
Pero partner, nagkakatalo sa free throws. 0 out of 4 ang Red Bull. At ang Ginebra, 5 out of 6 for 83%. So that's a 5-point advantage ng Ginebra sa free throws. Kanya namang 5 points ang lamang nila.
And there's a foul laban kay Baldavid on a jump shot by Jimwell Torion. Second foul on the flash. And once again, happy to have you with us, Philippines. Magandang gabi po sa ating mga kababayan sa lalawigan ng Rizal, lalong-lalo na sa Binangonan, ang ating mga kaibigan. Yan sa Binangonan ng Mohe family, si Irene. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Bayan ng Superstars.
Ito si Jimwell Torion, partner, in that accident that we mentioned in the pre-game. Balita natin is that he had major reconstructive surgery on his face. At lucky for him that none of his limbs were affected.
Makikita mo meron pang konting parang natitira dun sa kanyang operasyon na yun. The marks on his face.
But it's good to see him back in action, partner. He is such an exciting and colorful point guard. Kita mo naman ang kanyang depensa, pinahihirapan niya si Baldavid.
He will be a name that a lot of Filipinos will be talking about. Limpot gets away here and there's going to be a foul as he drew that one laban kay Kirby Raimundo.
At sinasabi ni Jim Limpot, act of shooting yun. Sinasabi naman ng Red Bull, traveling violation.
Si Alan Kaidig nakatindig. Head coach ng Barangay Ginebra, he has retired as a player. He is a full-time head coach now, and I understand that his jersey will be retired by the PBA as well.
Well, definitely the trigger man has spawned a legend.
Ay, naku.
In his PBA stint. And yung open shot galing kay Elmer Lago. And yes, bumukol si Elmer Lago, partner. He's saying he deserved the renegotiated contract he got up to the year 2001 yata yun.
Most improved player last year, of course, yes. Elmer Lago had his three-point shooting numbers up there among the top 3. Kirby Raimundo, keyhole jumper, malakas. Napunta ang bola. Ato Agustin, yes. Dead shot. Especially pag wala pang taong bumabantayan. Red Bull is down by 4.
Alam mo, partner, kulang sa hustle yata itong Barangay Ginebra. In that situation, pinabayaan nila that ball to go into the hands of Ato Agustin. Wala man lang lumundag to get the possible defensive rebound.
35-31. At si Torion nag-somersault on the floor, and yet he will pick up the foul laban kay Flash David. That will be the first foul on Jimwell Torion.
Alam mo, partner, very similar situation happened to Bal David and Chris Bolado kanina. No? Pero si Bolado ang natawagan ng foul. At palagay ko, those are part of the rookie pains that Coach Yeng Guiao must undergo.
5 seconds sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. Libre si Limpot. Yes! He can shoot it from the outside. And the main man now with a total of 12 points to lead all scorers in this basketball game. Abante ang Barangay Ginebra ng 6, 37-31. Time remaining, 9:36. Third quarter. Devon Harp with a left hand. Missing that one. Offensive rebound. Nakuha ni Edmond Reyes, who's in the ball game for the first time. Now with the right hand.
And si Crisano will pick up another foul. Part that kitang-kita natin ito si Harp. He's really attacking Crisano's defense, wants to take him out of the game.
Bad news para sa Barangay Ginebra. And Harp will go to the free throw line, although si Harp has not been very effective muna sa 4.5-meter line. Kagaya kanina, nakita natin and he had an air ball in his second free throw kanina. Let's see if he will improve his number. 6 points in the first half. Shot 75% from the field, but nothing from the line. Tapos na naman.
Alam mo, partner, ang nangyayari dito kay Devon Harp, he does not give enough arm push for his shot. He's relying almost completely on his wrist. Okay naman to have a good wrist action. But partner, you have to have some power in throwing up that shot.
So parang hindi, binenda yung kanyang knees now with the ball.
You have to have a little arm work to push that ball through.
And look at him covering his face with his jersey.
2 air balls.
Devon Harp, 3 air balls already in this game.
Well,
Yang Yao knows what he will be doing tomorrow. 150 free throws tomorrow. 9:16 sa ating third quarter. Abante po ang Ginebra ng 6, 37-31. Yus Meneses, one-on-one play. Laban kay Edmond Reyes. He gets away! Oy!
Come on, Dick.
Woo! Doing the reverse. Yung pektos medyo kulang lang eh.
Alam mo, partner ang ginagawa nitong Vergel Meneses. He's attacking the heart of the Red Bull defense. He's breaking down that defense. Not only for himself, partner, but if he feels that if the defense can concentrate on him, then he'll have more opportunities to pass off and kick out.
Yes. Elsie Agustin ang pumulot ng foul laban kay Vergel Meneses, although si Edmond Reyes ang bumabantay kay Meneses. Sablay ang unang free throw ni Vergel Meneses. Also a pride of Malolos, Bulacan. Meneses, who played for the Jose Rizal Heavy Bombers back in his time, was a king bomber. Missing both.
Two.
Unusual yan para kay Ariel Voyager.
Kanya tabla na sila ni Devon Harp. Ano?
Oo, yun lang yung kanya. In and out. Yung kay Harp, out and out. Bad pass. That's a wild pass. Way up there even for Kirby Raimundo. And again, the turnovers, Kinito, plaguing this Batang Red Bull team, showing na talagang batang-bata pa sila.
Partner, but this is a team that I think can quickly mature, not slowly mature, but quickly mature because of the presence of the veterans.
Uy, nice steal by Torion. Torion is away. He will go for the basket. And Jimwell Torion showing lightning quick moves. Doon sa pagkakataon na yun.
Ito ang sinasabi natin dito si Torion, partner. You cannot sell him short. He's got wings on his feet. At ito si Baldavid must be careful and he's going to be called for the offensive foul. He was burned once, partner. Ito si Baldavid. Very pesky ang defense nitong Torion, partner.
Yes. At saka sa sobrang kakulit, tinawagan ng panlimang foul si Alex Rizano. Watch this steal first by Jimwell Torion. And even in slow-mo, he looks like he's in fast motion. Jimwell Torion out-racing Baldavid. And what a play.
Ito naman, nakakuha ng steal. Ito si Crisano. Panlima na ba yun?
Panglima
Crisano?
na. Panglima na.
So check that. No? Akala ko kanina, foul on Baldavid.
Nanganganib na si Alex Rizano, but he still remains in the game. Limpot gets away again, and Jun Limpot just making mincemeat out of the defense being thrown at him by Kirby Raimundo. 14 na puntos na ang pride of Surigao, Jun Limpot.
Well, you notice, partner, itong Barangay Ginebra is establishing its inside game. They're penetrating, they're scoring on layups. They're not taking too many jump shots.
So yun, dumps it off. Short snap, wala. Crisano with a rebound. Big one. Ani mga bante ng Barangay Ginebra.
Sabi siguro ni Crisano, malapit na ako mag-graduate. Dapat naman, pakita ako dito.
Ayan, inirecall si Wilmerong na sana'y papalit kay Alex Crisano. 7.5 remaining sa third quarter. Muli po kami natutuwang makasama kayo. Lusot si Meneses pero may foul. Bago doon sa kanyang pag-layup, Edmond Reyes maaaring tawagan ng foul dito. That'll be the first foul on Edmond Reyes, but more importantly, that's already the 13th foul of Batang Red Bull with still 7:27 remaining sa third quarter. Again, at the end of the game, we'll name a Super Fulcasil Tapal King as well as our best player, samantala Jun Limpot showing well that he deserves every penny that he's being paid.
At partner, ang nangyari dito is that, as I was saying, no, Ginebra is taking those layups. They're attacking the basket. Walang masyadong double team ang Batang Red Bull. Kanya yung mga veterano ng Barangay Ginebra having a heyday attacking that basket.
Raimundo, libre ng bahagya. Kumalog ang tira. Bola natapik ni Crisano. Napunta kay David. Tuloy kay Lago. Abante si Meneses.
Ito yung hustle ng Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, he's away!
Oh, yes!
Oh, yes, sir! Woo!
Ito na. Nagpapakita na si Vergel Meneses.
Ang sarap ng galaw mo, kid. Vergel Meneses showing that why he is the aerial voyager. Watch this head and shoulder fake. Lusot na ako. Salamat sa iyo, Vergel Meneses, giving Ginebra a 10-point lead. 6:31 remaining in this basketball game, the third quarter, and may foul on that layup by Devon Harp, plus a foul. And that will bring back some sense of order para sa Batang Red Bull. They needed that one dahil tinatambakan na sila ng Ginebra ng 10 kanina, Kinito.
Ito si Crisano, fouled out.
Sos Mariosep.
Mali yata ang ginawa ni Crisano, partner. If he's gonna give up the foul, which is the 6th foul, dapat naman siguro, he should have made sure na hindi pumasok yung basket ni Harp. Pumasok yung basket, meron pa 3-point play opportunity for Devon Harp.
What a debut for Alex Crisanos. Hindi man lang tumagal yung kanyang paglaro. 6.5 pa.
Ito na yung free throw ni Devon Harp. Again, another miss.
Nilakasan na niya na pero tabingin naman yung tira.
Partner, kanina napansin natin yung mga tira ng Barangay Ginebra, halos lahat layup. They're going 5 out of 5 from the field in this quarter so far. 4 layups and 1 long shot.
Well, that's the reason why they're shooting very well. Lusot si Jun Limpot and there's another foul. This one will go against Ato Agustin. Ganito, napuna mo kanina yung hindi pag-double team ng Batang Red Bull at mukhang yun ang ginagamit ng Barangay Ginebra. Hindi naman kasalanan din ng Batang Red Bull because Ginebra has been moving well without the yung kanilang mga players without the ball and they've been able to find a lot of their open teammates on the floor.
O palagay ko, for Coach Yang Giao, no, this is something of an experiment for him, no, because it's very hard when you're coaching a new team, especially when you have to control their defense, no? Yung double team takes a lot of work, takes a lot of gelling, takes a lot of good chemistry.
Yes.
Because once you double team, you have to know when to rotate. If you're a new team, mahihirapan ka siguro mag-double team because yung galaw ng mga player on the defense, no, especially in the rotation, yun dapat pag-aralan pa and sanayan yun eh.
Balik sa 10 ang Abante. Ang pasa ni Carion intended for Raimundo. Hit the foot of Kirby Raimundo. And right now, papakita muli natin yung ginawa kanina ni Vergel Meneses after this particular miss ni Glenn Capasio sa ating MCI 105 fast break. The outlet to Vergel Meneses and watch the aerial Voyager go. He is up, and he is gone. And you just saw our 105-15 USA collect fast break ni Vergel Meneses. Time down to 5:40 in the third quarter. Ooh, off-balance shot and all. Elmer Lago getting another basket. At alam mo, ngayon ganito ang Barangay Ginebra is just shooting like there's no tomorrow.
Partner, hindi pa nga sila nagmimintis dito, no, from the field in the third quarter. And yes, they're scoring layups. Now they're also scoring from the outside. Kirby Raimundo, magpapakamatay na itong bata na to.
Yan ang kailangan nila.
Yes.
Konting intensity pa no? Parang yung mga bata naiilang sila na makipagpanggaan dito sa mga veterano eh.
Partner, I think this team now is struggling defensively, no? As far as offense is concerned, darating at darating din yan.
Yes.
But they've got to know how each other moves sa depensa, no? So that they can cover all the grounds.
And again, Coach Yang Giao said, gusto ko lamang ay maging decent yung aming performance. Decent meaning, matatakot sa amin, yung pahihirapan kami.
Oh, without a doubt, partner, sa pinakita ng Red Bull at this stage of the game, maraming pahihirapan ito, including itong Barangay Ginebra. This game is far from over.
Carion, however, throwing a wild shot, a forced one. Less than 5 minutes remaining sa third quarter. 12 po ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra. The biggest advantage so far. Antulis, laban kay Tanpua. Here's Limpot up against Kirby Raimundo. Picks it out. 3-point shot. Pumatak sa linya. And again, Elmer Lago swooshing the net. And it's now a 14-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Lago with 8 points. No, 7 points in the game. Lahat nakuha niya dito sa third quarter. 4:25 remaining. Harp takes it out. Agustin faking. Now goes up. Short. Rebound. Fresh 24. Junkie Valenzuela. Binalik ni Kirby Raimundo. Humingi ng isolation. Maliit ang tao niya. Ano? Si Limpot pala. Goes up. And finally, yan ang kailangan. He has not taken too many attempts. In fact, in the first half, Raimundo only took 2 attempts. Ganito, 1 out of 2.
At may tira to, ha? Kirby Raimundo. That's a veteran move from a 19-year-old rookie.
The youngest to play in the PBA since Nick Bulao played for the Toyota Tamaraws at 18 years old.
Ito na naman si Elmer Lago. That's the first miss of Barangay Ginebra in this quarter. So now they're 7 out of 8 sa quarter na to.
Loose ball foul. Laban kay Kirby Raimundo. That would be number 3 now at the 3:39 mark of the third quarter. Alex Crisano has already fouled out para sa Barangay Ginebra. Third quarter pa lamang, yes, nag-foul out na po ang isang player. The rookie from Barangay Ginebra. Now, Wilmerong will have to play major minutes now. Ngayon na nawala na si Alex Crisano.
Wilmer Wrong from LaSalle Bacolod, partner. Itong sinasabi natin, one of only 2 players from the 1997 Commissioner's Cup champion team of this franchise. The other being Baldavid. Survivor ito si Wilmer Wrong. And incidentally, he was just signed to a fresh 3-year renewal of his contract.
Sino? Si Baldavid?
Hindi, si Wilmer Wrong.
Si Wilmer Wrong.
Si Baldavid, actually, his contract was renegotiated last year and he was given a 5-year extension ng kanyang kontrata.
Wow.
So for Wilmer Wrong, partner, malaking confidence na ibinigay ng coaching staff sa kanya.
And you know, this Wilmer Wrong, I've seen him work out in the gym and he really works out. Stay in tip-top shape for the PBA Wars.
Work ethic ni Wilmer Wrong, partner.
Oh, yeah, pass by Valenzuela. As we saw the statistics
Hey, tama naman.
and again,
What a move by June Limpot! Ayan ang tinatawag natin, binubura ang depensa. And June Limpot, what a move! Completely taking away the defense of Red Bull.
30-second timeout, hinihiling ngayon ng batang Red Bull, and June Limpot knows that this may be his breakout year. He wants to prove that perhaps he can lead a team to a championship. Never led Santa Lucia to the finals, and watch this. Going away, faking 2 people, and he is gone. The big deal, Big June Limpot.
Alam mo, palagay ko, may kakulangan dito sa, sa leg work. His legs are too far apart. Sa tingin ko,
Led the PBL in block shots per game at almost 3 blocks a game. Dalawa na namang mintes. He is 0 out of 7 tonight. Mas grabe pa pala ito kay Shaquille O'Neal. Limpot nasa labas. Working on Raimundo. Gets away again. And Limpot missing that one. However, the tap by Wilmer Wrong safely kay Baldavid.
alam mo, ito si Magtulis asking for the ball. Sabi niya, ako naman, ako naman.
Malaki naman ang lamang natin eh.
O, sabi ni Baldavid, sandali lang, relax lang muna.
Isa-isa kayo. Ito, ikaw naman! Ikaw naman! Oh, imutik na lumalakas pa yun. But again, a no-look pass from Baldavid. And it's now an 18-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Alam mo, partner, it's been a while since we've seen the Barangay Ginebra team play with this much spirit.
Oh, yes.
Alam naman natin ang kanilang record in the third conference of last season was 1 win, 8 losses. And overall, ang record ng Barangay Ginebra last season was 14 wins and 27 losses. That's a 34% winning percentage. And that was the lowest of this franchise since 1995.
But they are on a roll and they're on top by 18.
Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan.
Papasok na po tayo sa 2 minuto dito sa third quarter at abante ng 18 ang Barangay Ginebra. That timeout called by Batang Red Bull. Hindi nakaigi sa kanila. Hindi sila nakakonvert on that particular possession.
Ito si Vergel Meneses is back to playing point guard.
Limpot inilabas kay Magtulis. Libre si Lago from 3-point area. Sablay. Rebound ni Kirby Raimundo.
Nakikita natin itong Batang Red Bull, nag-adjust na sila sa depensa. They're double teaming June Limpot outside.